Hello and welcome student. Today we are going to continue lesson 7 Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2010. Today we will learn how to insert data in cell. Select the cell where you want to enter data. Double click in the cell after selecting it. If you want to enter or modify data in cell, you can also directly start typing after selecting a cell. Another way is to click in the formula bar after selecting a cell and enter data or modify data already present. Let us select cell C2 and type the name Kapil. In it, you can see the name data appears in the formula bar. Two buttons can be seen at the same time. Example, the cancel button that you use to cancel data before pressing the enter key, and enter button that you use to complete the data entry. You can also use the ESC key to cancel data entry. Next one, operations of cells and columns and rows. You can edit edit, copy, delete, resize, move, and format the contents of the cell. Overwriting contents of a cell. You can overwriting the content of the cell by selecting a cell, typing the new data into it, and pressing the enter key. Modifying cell contents. Modify cell contents. Follow the given step to modify cell content. Step 1, select the cell. Step 2, click on the formula box or press F2 key or double click on the cell. Step 3, modify the text and press the enter key. Deleting cell content. Follow the given step. First, step 1, select the cell. Step 2, click on the home tab in the ribbon. Step 3, click on the clear button in the editing group. Step 4, click on the clear content options. You can also use shift plus arrow keys for selecting and press delete key. Next one, copy and paste option. Follow the given step. Step 1, select the cell or range of cell. Step 2, click on the home tab in the ribbon. Step 3, click on the copy option in the clipboard group. Step 4, click on the new cell in which you want to put the same content. Step 5, click on the paste option from the clipboard group. Next one, cut and paste options. Follow the given step. Step 1, select the cell or range of cells. Step 2, click on the home tab in the ribbon. Step 3, click on the cut option in the clipboard group. Step 4, click on the new cell in which you want to put contents. Step 5, click on the paste option in the clipboard group. Next one, inserting cells. Follow the given step. Step 1, select the cell or range where cell are to be inserted. Step 2, click on the home tab in the ribbon. Step 3, click on the insert from the cell group and click on the insert cell option from the list. Step 4, select the required option from the insert dialog box. Shift the cell and required and click on the OK button. Inserting rows and columns. Follow the given step. Step 1, select the rows or column. Step 2, click on the home tab. Step 3. Go to the Insert button from the cell group. You see a drop-down list. Step 4. Click on the Insert Sheet row option and insert a new row, or click on the Insert Sheet column and insert a new column. Deleting cell. Follow the given step. Step 1. Select the range or cell that is required to be deleted. Click on the Home tab in the ribbon. Step 3. Click on the Delete from the cell group. Step 4. Click on the Delete cell option from the drop-down list. Step 5. Select the required option from the dialog box. Deleting rows and columns. Follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the rows or column that is to be deleted. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Delete option from the cell groups. Step 4. Click on the Deleted Sheet Rows option or the Deleted Sheet column option to deleted a row and column. Next one, how to save a workbook. Follow the given step. Step 1. Click on the File, Save As option, or click on File, Save option, or press Ctrl+S. Step 2. The Save As dialog box gets displayed. Step 3. Select the drive and folder in the Save As list box. Step 4. Enter the file name in the file name box. Step 5. Click on the Save options. The file gets saved within a extension X6. In order to exit from the MS Excel application, either click on Close option on the title bar, or select File Exit option, or click on the Excel icon and selected Close button, or Alt plus F4 option. Thank you.